Friends, recently I went to Maharashtra for 3 days trip. On the first day, I visit Shirdi and Shani Singapore. On the second day, I went to Nasik. There, I visited few temples like near Panchavati and few places like Triveni Sangam, Lakshman Rekha, Sita Agni Kund. And then I finally visited uh, Tra- Triambakeshwar Jyotirlinga temple. On the third day, I visit Sri Krishneshwar Jyotirlinga temple, Bhadra Maruti Mandir, and at last I visited Ajanta caves. That's all, my dear friends.